Hi, I'm Mike with Superior Tech, and today we'll be looking at our new 3.5 bushel grass catcher made for John Deere QuikTrak stand-on mowers. This grass catcher is the ideal solution for commercial operators who are looking to avoid having material being blown on important areas like driveways, sidewalks, and flower beds. Let's take a look and see how the grass catcher can help you with tidy collection and tight confine. The design you see here is made to withstand a lot of commercial use and abuse. One way we're ensuring that is by having a stainless steel frame that's got aluminum sides riveted onto it for a nice, sleek, clean look. On the underside of the grass catcher, you'll find a single piece of aluminum to help withstand a lot of weight, which is especially important when you have material inside of it like wet grass clippings. Now let's take a look at how simple it is to install the grass catcher onto your mower deck. Again, this mounting bracket is what does all the work for you, and these 2 points of connection are what actually physically connect the grass catcher onto your deck. All you need to do is flip up the shield here, slide the front bracket in place, and then basically secure the back piece of rod, and you're ready to go. Let's say that the grass catcher now is full after running the mower for a little bit, and we're ready to take it off. As far as the door goes, you can either leave that on if you want to take it over to wherever you're headed to dump your material, or you can simply lift this latch, flip the door up, and then if you want, you can also remove it completely to take off some weight. And then again, as far as taking this off, it's the back rod. Take that, and then you slide this entire thing forward using the nice rounded aluminum handle here. Off it goes. Again, the mounting bracket here. And then we've got this latch here at the top, which is a hinged handle. It's really nice to help make sure that you've dumped all of the material from out of the hopper. If you're interested in learning more about the grass catcher, you can visit our website, give us a call, and check out the description section in the bottom of the video. Or if you're also interested in purchasing one, be sure to stop in at your local John Deere dealer to learn more today.